Hello my glam fam, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. I hope you guys had a safe and wonderful and very fun New Year's Eve. It seems like I didn't see you till last year, like it's a new year, like a year has passed by. Anyway, that's like the terrible joke. This joke has turned into a, I don't even know, like I can't stop throwing this joke, but every time I throw this joke, people are like, okay, yeah, you're crazy. Anyways, well, no, I'm crazy, but so today's look is all about the color of the years, and it's ultraviolet this year. So it's basically like a very bright, bold violet, and I felt like I should start the first video of this year is with the color of the year. I wanted to do that last year, but I had to do it. I don't know why, but I was a little late in posting that. I don't know, something went wrong. But this time I was determined and I actually put together the look, and I'm hoping that there will not be any issue and this will be the first video of the year. Anyways, you guys, without further ado, if you guys want to see how I achieved this editorial makeup tutorial, just keep on watching. So for today's video, I will be using my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and I'm going to start off with this matte hot pink, and I'm going to apply that color all over my crease. Then I'm going to grab that sapphire blue and just leave it on our outer V. Then we are grabbing the purple color to create the ultraviolet effect and applying it all over my lid. Then going back to the sapphire blue, I'm going to add it in my inner corner. I'm going to take a little bit of that raspberry red and leave it in my outer corner. Now I'll apply the turquoise blue color in my inner corner. Now I'm going to line my waterline with the It Cosmetics No Tug eyeliner. Then moving on to the winged liner, I'm using my usual NYX liquid liner. Now we will be applying all the colors we applied on our lid under our lower lash line, and it would be blue, purple, and blue. Moving on to mascara, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm starting off my face with my Josie Maran Surreal Skin Finish Balm as a base. Then on top of that, I'll be applying my Farsali Unicorn Essence. Now I'm applying my Stellar Beauty Concealer in the shade S03. And I'm blending it in with a beauty blender. Now I'm using my Stellar Beauty foundation in the shade S09. I'm just dotting it all over my face. Then I'm going to use a Pure Cosmetics Beauty Blender to blend everything in. Now I'll be contouring my face with my Maybelline Master Contour. I believe it's in Deep. I'm not sure, I will link it down below. I am going for a little bit of harsher contour, that's why you see the curve I did on my cheek. And I'm blending everything in with this oval brush. Now I'm setting my cream contour with my Maybelline Master Powder Contour palette in the shade Medium to Deep. For blush, I'm using my NYX Ombre blush in Codebreaker, and I'll just be taking the purple color. For highlighter, I'm using my Huda Beauty Summer Solstice palette, and I'm starting off with the cream as a base, and I always apply the cream with my finger. Then I'm taking the purple color and topping it off. And I'm going to apply the same color on my brow bone. I'm going to make my highlighter a little intense with my Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Prismatic Amethyst, and I'm just leaving it at the front of my cheekbone and top of my brow bone and a bridge of my nose. For lips, I'm using today my Colourpop Ultra Satin Liquid Lipstick in the shade Molly. Now I'm setting my makeup with my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. Just making sure that my eyes are a little protected because the false lashes will come off. So there you have it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this look helped you somehow, some way. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And if you have any recommendation or request, please leave it down in the comment section below. Hugs and kisses from my heart to yours, and till I see you next time on my video. Bye bye.